Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to connect your Bluetooth device to Samsung Galaxy S22. First we need to turn on our Bluetooth. To do so we have to go to connections here and turn Bluetooth on. Now we need to turn on our Bluetooth device pairing, and here we have JBL Charge 4. We simply select this device, yes, pair please, and now our Bluetooth device is paired with our phone, as you can see. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.